at the field, back at the field for this little demo flight. Yeah, that's about to be the new owner here, Jorge, of this L-39. Barring a crash. Flaps down.
What crash?
Okay, flaps down.
Are set up perfectly. No
Taking
crash.
off. Flaps normal. Gonna come back over. We'll bring the gear up. Gears are up. Let's go fly.
Yes, he is. And it's flying very nice.
Oh, it tracks solid. This is a really good flyer. Come slow over. This thing glides perfect. No throttle. On the throttle.
How much speed are you keeping in the turns and that kind of stuff?
What do you mean? Like miles per hour? Or?
Yeah,
I don't know. It
does
varies.
Does it need to be pretty hot for turning?
Not hot, but there needs to be power on. Like maybe around 50%. You know,
Okay.
like depending on how fast you're going into the turn. You know, like I would say about this speed is about good for turns. Like
You don't want
a
to
general airspeed, no, not in a turn. Ha 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 ha. Uh-oh. Got an auction going.
Oh. Are you still in high rates? Are you in high rates the whole time?
The whole time. I don't ever use those. Like I said, the other rates are there just because it's a 3-position switch. Like,
Makes pretty sharp turns too.
oh yeah. It tracks really good. Oh,
What was that?
that was a little dip in the turn.
Did it dip a little?
Yeah.
You slowed down a bit there, didn't you?
Mm.
That's what I thought too. That's well, my battery was the my power. The question is, do I get a separate?
Was that a timer warning or a voltage warning?
No, it's just a switch I have. You know, like my momentary switch.
Okay.
I have it set when I flip it. It gives me the time and the voltage.
Oh, I didn't hear the voltage. What was it?
22.1.
22.1. Okay. I mean, it's using the battery, but still got a little bit of juice left, huh?
Hmm. You get pretty good flight time out of this. You know, like as far as EDFs go.
Mm-hmm.
I think the flight time I have on those 5500s is 435. That's the flight time I have.
435.
So yeah.
This is the 80 mil, right?
This is the 80.
4.5 minutes. You think is good?
Yeah, on these batteries. Like it also depends on the batteries too, but yeah.
Did you say that you typically land before the timer?
No, it depends. It depends when the battery voltage starts to yell out to me.
Okay.
Like, you know, like I say, it'll start to yell out if I get low. But it has to stay that voltage for like 5 seconds, that low voltage. So once it gets there, it'll... But I'll set up to land.
Okay.
Bring this baby in. Gears are down.
Did you do flat or no?
No,
Or you just did flat?
just now. Whoa.
It wasn't
Right
a little
land.
close to the fence.
A little
there,
close,
Frank.
huh?
You still landed a little bit hot, right?
A little hot, yeah. Throttle disabled. Okay, good flight. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.